In the pricing section, there are two tabs, Pricing and Upcharges. We can use the pricing to add the base pricing for our golf shirt and the Upcharges tab to indicate any additional charges for the product options, such as colors, materials, imprinting, etc. The pricing for this product is based off of color and size. The golf shirt is available in all colors in sizes extra small through extra large, starting at $33. However, the black, blue, brown, and green shirts are available in 2XL starting at $35, and the red and purple are available in 2XL starting at $37. The orange is not available in 2XL. To establish the base pricing for these options, we will need to use multiple price grids. To do this, we'll start by clicking on the Use Multiple Price Grids radio button. In the Multiple Price Grid setup window, we need to select the product color and size because those two attributes are the criteria on which our product pricing is based. Then, we'll click on the Next Step button. Now, we can select the individual values for each price grid. Let's start by selecting the colors and then selecting sizes extra small through extra large, because all colors have the same pricing for these sizes. Then, we'll click on the Save and Add Another Configuration button. Now, we'll select black, blue, brown, and green under Product Color and 2XL under Size, and then click on the Save and Add Another Configuration button. Lastly, we'll select purple and red under Product Color and 2XL under Size, and then click on the Save Configuration button. We now have 3 base pricing grids for the options we just established. We see a notification here that we have variations that we have not assigned pricing to. In our situation, the orange shirt is not available in 2XL. Therefore, we will not establish a price for this, and it will not be an orderable option. Let's add the base pricing for this product in the available grids. First, we'll set the sold per unit. The sold per unit is the unit upon which the item is sold, such as per piece, per case, by the dozen, or even per roll in some scenarios. Our shirt is sold by piece, in increments of 12, so we can leave the sold per option set to piece and begin entering the quantities. 1, 12, 24, 36, 48. Now, we can enter the list prices for all colors in sizes extra small through extra large. 33, 32, 31, 30, 29. Then, we will use the Price Codes drop-down to select the discount code for each price break, and SGR Updates will automatically calculate the net cost. Let's set the first price code to R. If we wanted each price break to have the same discount, we can check the Apply to All checkbox. We can then type a price include statement if needed, such as one color imprint, one location. Our pricing is based on the blank product, so we will type blank product only in this section. Now we'll move to the next price grid, black, blue, brown, and green in sizes 2XL. Again, we'll enter the quantities, 1, 12, 24, 36, 48, and then the pricing, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, and use a discount code of R for all price breaks. Then we'll put in our price include statement, blank product only. Lastly, we'll enter the pricing for the red and purple golf shirts in 2XL using the same process. Enter our quantities, enter the pricing, select our discount code, and type in our price include statement. When working with multiple price grids, we have the option to use these arrows to rearrange the order in which the price grids are displayed when the product is being viewed in the SGR sourcing tool. If we wanted to have this product broken out by the price grids in the SGR sourcing tool, we can check this box. After adding the base pricing, let's click on the Upcharges tab to add our upcharges, the setup and run charges for the imprinting. We'll click on the Add an Upcharge button, then select Imprint Method from the available options, and click on the Next Step button. Let's check Silkscreen and click on Save. Now, we can use the Upcharge Type dropdown to select Setup and Per Order, indicating that this is a one-time charge per order. We'll enter a quantity of 1, list price of 50, and use the Z discount code to indicate no discount. After we have added the setup charge, we need to add the run charge. Let's click on the Add Additional Upcharge button. We'll check the Imprint method, click on the Next Step button, check Silkscreen, and click on Save. We'll click on the Upcharge Type dropdown and select Run Charge and per quantity because the run charge applies to each piece. Now we can enter the charge per piece by typing 1 in the quantity field, 25 cents in the list price, and using the Z discount code to indicate no discount. Now we'll add the upcharges for embroidery using the same process. We'll click on the Add an Upcharge, select the Imprint method, and then select Embroidered. We'll set the upcharge as Setup Charge and per order. Then we'll enter the pricing. Lastly, let's add the run charge for the embroidery. We'll click on the Add an Additional Upcharge button, select the Imprint method, and choose Embroidered. We'll set the upcharges as run charge and per quantity. We'll enter a quantity of 1 and the pricing. We have additional detail indicating that the run charge is per 1,000 stitches per item, so we'll add that information to the details box at the bottom of the price grid. Now that we have added our pricing and upcharge information, let's click on Save and then click on the Images tab.